This is Boo from Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a sauteed red cabbage. So let's get started. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna cut our cabbage in half. Then we're gonna slice it thinly. Just like so, guys. Like this. Then I'm gonna cut in half. Then into the food strainer, because I'm gonna wash it. Make sure, guys, you wash your vegetables before you cook them. Okay, then I cut in half into the food strainer. Moving on, slice our onion. Then we're gonna chop it. Next, we're gonna wash our cabbage. Like so, guys. To drain all the water. So I have about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm gonna add red onion. I'm gonna let them spread for 2 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. Add the cabbage. Add black pepper. Garlic powder. Red pepper flakes. And some salt. Mix all this together. I love the smell of garlic rice. Smells so good. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir everything together for another 2 minutes. The cabbage is ready. Yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.